Let's begin by welcoming you to hospitality engineering and exploring the art of prioritizing tasks during service. This module helps you understand how to balance multiple duties while maintaining calm coordination and top-quality service. Prioritization ensures that every guest feels valued and every table runs smoothly. It guides your focus in real time so you can make professional choices under pressure. The way you decide what comes first sets the tone for the entire dining experience. Through this lesson you will learn to balance urgency, guest impact, and efficiency with clarity and confidence. Understanding task priorities. Let's start by understanding the meaning of task priorities. Immediate guest needs always come before routine work. A refill of water, replacing cutlery, or clearing plates should happen before side tasks like table resetting or stocking condiments. You must stay alert to kitchen timing so dishes arrive fresh and on time. Adjust your priorities dynamically as new requests appear. When you handle small guest needs quickly, you build strong trust in your service. Working smart means focusing on impact rather than speed alone. Each choice you make shapes guest comfort and your team's flow. Proper prioritization keeps service organized and calm. With good judgment you prevent stress and ensure consistency across the shift. Managing multiple tables. Let's explore how to manage multiple tables effectively. Divide your attention so every guest feels seen and cared for. Group similar tasks together such as refills or plate clearance to save time and energy. Track orders mentally or through notes to keep service synchronized with the kitchen. Avoid focusing too long on one table at the cost of another. Guests value attention that feels even and professional. Maintain a mental map of the dining area and move with purpose. When transitions between tables are smooth, the service feels effortless. Multitasking with precision defines a skilled professional. Balancing speed with quality is the art of fine hospitality. Consistent pacing ensures no guest waits unnecessarily. Team coordination. Let's understand how teamwork drives excellence during service. No server can perform flawlessly alone. Open communication between colleagues keeps the restaurant running efficiently. Share updates on VIP guests, special requests, or delays so everyone stays informed. Delegate tasks when needed and offer help when pressure builds. Coordination prevents overlap, confusion, and missed details. A well-aligned team supports each other naturally, creating a sense of unity. Trust and respect among colleagues make even the busiest service feel manageable. Working together ensures that guest expectations are met quickly and smoothly. Good coordination turns individual effort into team success. Rush hour strategies. Let's learn how to stay composed during rush hours. Preparation is your best defense against chaos. Anticipate peak times and set up your section early. Pre-arrange napkins, condiments, and cutlery to save seconds later. Focus on quick wins like clearing empty plates or resetting a table between courses. Stay calm no matter how loud or busy it gets, because guests mirror your energy. Communicate with your team to keep traffic organized. A composed manner inspires confidence among guests and coworkers. Being proactive prevents small problems from turning into big delays. Rush hours become manageable when you plan ahead and maintain rhythm. Guest-focused priorities. Let's focus on keeping the guest at the center of everything. Every guest is unique and their comfort must always guide your actions. VIPs, elderly guests, and families may need faster or specialized attention. Record their preferences early to serve them better. Notice body language to understand unspoken needs. Quick adjustments, polite communication, and genuine empathy create memorable experiences. Guests remember warmth more than speed. Even in high-pressure moments, putting the guest first builds reputation and loyalty. Thoughtful service transforms routine tasks into hospitality excellence. Coordinating with kitchen staff. Let's explore why coordination with the kitchen is essential. The dining experience depends on perfect timing between service and kitchen teams. Share special orders and requests clearly to avoid confusion. Confirm preparation times to match your table pacing. Communicate delays or changes immediately so adjustments can be made. Respectful communication fosters mutual trust and teamwork. When the kitchen and service synchronize, food arrives fresh and guests stay happy. Coordination minimizes errors, reduces waste, and maintains guest satisfaction. This relationship forms the backbone of smooth operations. Coordinating with bar staff. Let's discuss coordination with the bar team. Drinks often set the tone for guest satisfaction. Send beverage orders early to match the food course sequence. Communicate clearly about pairings, special requests, or changes. Update bar staff about busy sections so they can manage preparation efficiently. When service and bar work together, guests receive drinks perfectly timed with meals. Coordination avoids confusion and delays while elevating the entire dining rhythm. A well-timed beverage enhances the guest's sense of care and attention. Using checklists and notes. Let's see how checklists and notes simplify complex service. Keeping a small notepad or digital list helps you track guest requests, allergies, and VIP preferences. Record new tasks as they appear to prevent forgetting details. Review your notes regularly to stay updated. Checklists save time and help maintain consistency. An organized approach gives confidence and reduces mistakes. It also makes it easier to hand over information between shifts. When you rely on well-kept notes, you create professional reliability that guests can feel. Small habits like this form the foundation of excellent service delivery. Handling emergencies. Let's learn how to handle emergencies with professionalism. Spills, glass breakage, or sudden guest discomfort can happen anytime. The key is to act fast and remain calm. Prioritize safety, clear the area, and reassure guests without causing panic. Reassign coverage to maintain service flow. Communicate discreetly with your supervisor or team for assistance. Apologize sincerely and offer practical solutions such as moving guests or replacing items. When handled gracefully, emergencies become opportunities to demonstrate composure and care. Guests appreciate calm confidence more than perfection. Preparedness is your strongest safety tool. Balancing routine tasks. Let's understand how to maintain routine duties alongside guest service. Regular cleaning, refilling condiments, and checking setups are vital. Small details make a lasting impression on guests. Do these tasks strategically between service peaks to stay efficient. Keeping everything orderly prevents chaos later. Neglecting basic upkeep can damage the atmosphere of professionalism. When the environment looks cared for, guests automatically trust the service. Balancing visible cleanliness with guest attention shows discipline and pride in your work. Effective communication techniques. Let's focus on communication as the backbone of service. Use clear and simple words when giving updates or instructions. Always confirm understanding to avoid confusion. Listen carefully to your teammates and guests. Maintain a polite tone even in stressful situations. Keep everyone informed about changes, delays, or guest needs. Strong communication ensures smoother coordination and fewer errors. Respectful dialogue builds teamwork and guest confidence alike. Remember, your calm and clarity can hold the whole operation together. Delegation and support. Let's explore how effective delegation builds strong teams. Assign duties based on skill and experience so everyone contributes efficiently. Step in to help others during high-pressure periods. Trust your colleagues to handle their tasks and encourage collaboration. Delegation is not about giving orders, it is about empowering others to succeed. A balanced workload prevents burnout and improves morale. Supportive leadership inspires confidence within the team. When everyone helps each other, service quality rises naturally. Team unity creates a positive atmosphere that guests can sense. Monitoring time management. Let's look at time management as a key performance skill. Track how long each order takes from the moment it's placed to the moment it's served. Use systems like POS timestamps or manual tracking to measure performance. Adjust pacing based on guest mood and kitchen readiness. Anticipate delays before they affect the experience. Time awareness sharpens intuition and reduces errors. A well-timed service feels effortless and professional. Reflect on your timing after every shift and find patterns to improve efficiency. Using technology for efficiency. Let's explore how technology enhances service quality. POS systems keep order details accurate and accessible. Mobile devices record guest preferences, allergies, and special notes. Timer reminders prevent delays in complex orders. Digital checklists track multitasking in busy environments. Technology reduces manual errors and saves precious seconds. It also allows you to spend more time interacting meaningfully with guests. Blending modern tools with human warmth makes your service smart and personal. Technology should support your intuition, not replace it. Handling guest complaints during rush. Let's discuss the best way to manage complaints when the restaurant is busy. Stay calm, listen attentively, and avoid interrupting the guest. Acknowledge their feelings with empathy and respond sincerely. Never argue or blame others. Offer realistic solutions that show ownership and care. Coordinate quickly with your team to fix the problem. Follow up to confirm the guest's satisfaction before closing the interaction. A well-managed complaint often becomes a moment of appreciation. Your professionalism under pressure defines guest trust. Post-service review. Let's talk about reviewing performance after service. Reflection helps you grow faster than repetition. Discuss what worked well and what could be improved. Evaluate time management, teamwork, and communication flow. Note recurring guest requests or operational delays. Share feedback openly to strengthen the next shift. Recognize team achievements and learn from challenges. Post-service analysis turns daily experience into long-term improvement. When learning becomes a habit, excellence becomes effortless. Continuous improvement tips. Let's explore how to keep improving every day. Adjust your task priorities as the restaurant's demands change. Share lessons from each shift with your colleagues. Observe senior staff and learn efficient habits. Use feedback from guests to refine your timing and tone. Embrace mistakes as opportunities to grow. Small, steady improvements create mastery over time. Consistency and curiosity build long-term confidence. Excellence comes from repetition and reflection. Summary. Let's summarize what we've learned. Prioritization helps maintain smooth service flow. Team coordination and communication create balance. Technology, notes, and checklists enhance consistency. Handling emergencies and complaints calmly builds trust. Time management keeps performance sharp and organized. Every effort must point toward guest satisfaction. Continuous learning ensures growth and success. Mastering these habits turns service into an art form. Thank you. Let's conclude by thanking you for completing prioritizing tasks during service. Visit HEGSDC.com to register, complete the course, and download your certificate. Continue to practice prioritization, teamwork, and timing, because great hospitality is built on precision, empathy, and excellence.